As a copywriter, one of the questions I've gotten over the years is why should I learn copywriting? Well, you may be asking the same question. In this video, I'm going to answer that question for you, and I bet you at the end of this video, you will find every possible means to learn copywriting. I'm going to give you three, so make sure you stay at the end of this video to learn everything for yourself. My name is Kingsley Nemeka. Most of my students call me Coach Kingsley, and also I'm called Sir Kingsley. So if this is the first time you're coming to my YouTube channel, please subscribe right away, because a lot of information on how to become a pro in digital marketing, content creation, and copywriting is dropping on this channel every week. So welcome once more. In this video, I want to show you 3 reasons why you should start copywriting immediately. And just in case you don't know anything about copywriting simply means persuasion. What you do to persuade people to give you their money is called copywriting. And then if you go through my channel or in the comments, you see a link to a video I made that explained everything in total about copywriting. So this video, the focus is to share 2 reasons why you should go and learn copywriting right away. The first reason is that it helps to improve your communication skill. Copywriting is not anyhow skill. Copywriting is that skill that can help you gather your thoughts. You don't just do anyhow with it. You articulate your thoughts before you move. So it helps you to know what to say, how to say it, and it appears better. So copywriting is not just something you do to persuade people. It also helps you improve your communication skills and help you articulate your thoughts. It's something you will really want to learn. Imagine something that can help you articulate your thoughts, show you how you can improve your communication skill. I bet you want to learn that thing. Does it make sense? Tell me in the comments as we move on to number 2. Number 2 reason why you should learn copywriting is because of business opportunities. Yes, copywriting will give you business opportunities. If you know the skill of copywriting, you can open whatever business and you make so much money from it. Because yes, it is with the skill of copywriting that you can actually know what to say to people, how to say it, and then they get to give you their money in return. Copywriting doesn't just help your communication skill. Copywriting is so big on offer creation. So there is a way you will learn copywriting and you get to learn how to create irresistible offers that will help people to buy what you're selling. Number 3. Are you ready for number 3, which is the last one? Yeah, number 3 is that copywriting will improve your persuasion game. If you are a marketer or someone who wants to go into sales and you don't pay attention to copywriting, you're going to struggle. Copywriting is that one skill that helps you to know how to persuade people. Copywriting is that one skill that will show you how not to talk about the features of products but the benefits. Because yes, what people cares about is the benefit. So if you learn copywriting today, it will improve your persuasion game. If you haven't learned copywriting, I want you to go ahead and look for someone to teach you. If you want me to teach you, drop in the comment right now that I want to learn from you, and I will show you everything you need about copywriting. The good news is that we take copywriting students every month at Copy to Cash Academy. Thank you very much for watching. Tell me what you learned in this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I want you to always be the first person to get notification each time we drop valuable content like this. And one other thing, share this video. My name is Kingsley Nemeka. Just like I say to my students, I will say to you, chase knowledge first. Thank you for watching.